Imagine investing your life savings into a promising business venture. You've done your due diligence, you believe in the company's mission, and you're excited about the potential returns. But then something shifts. The majority shareholders begin making decisions that seem to benefit only themselves. Your calls for information go unanswered. Dividends that should be distributed are mysteriously reinvested without your input. And suddenly, that dream investment starts feeling like a nightmare trap. This scenario isn't just a hypothetical. It's the lived reality for countless minority shareholders in closely held corporations across Florida. The difference between financial success and devastating loss often comes down to one critical factor: understanding your rights. I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified international business attorney and best-selling author. And today I'm going to guide you through your next big investment here in Florida. In Florida, closely held corporations represent a distinct business structure with particular vulnerabilities for minority investors. Unlike publicly traded companies with thousands of shareholders, closely held corporations typically have a small number of shareholders, limited stock transferability, and no established market for their shares. While this structure offers advantages like operational flexibility and tax benefits, it creates a perfect storm for potential abuse. The concentrated ownership means majority shareholders wield tremendous power, often serving simultaneously as directors, officers, and employees. This concentration of power can leave minority shareholders vulnerable to oppression if they don't understand their rights. One of the most important protections for minority shareholders comes through fiduciary duties. In Florida, controlling or majority shareholders owe a fiduciary duty to minority shareholders. This means that the majority cannot simply act in their own interest. They must deal fairly with minorities and avoid managing the corporation in ways that oppress other shareholders or commit fraud upon their rights. This fiduciary relationship is similar to the duty owed by the corporation itself or its officers and directors. It creates legal obligations that serve as guardrails against abuse. When majority shareholders breach these duties, minority shareholders gain grounds for legal action. Whether you're considering a minority investment or already hold one, understanding your rights is crucial. Florida law grants minority shareholders several fundamental rights, including the right to vote in board of directors elections, the right to request and review the corporation's financial and legal records, the right to receive profit distributions when declared by the corporation. Beyond these basic statutory rights, minority shareholders who believe their rights are being oppressed have several legal options, from filing direct lawsuits to petitioning the court for dissolution. The best defense, though, is a good offense. Before making a minority investment, consider these protective measures. Number 1, comprehensive shareholder agreements. Negotiate terms that expand your basic rights, including guaranteed board seats, supermajority voting requirements for major decisions, and clear dividend policies. Number 2, buy-sell provisions. Establish fair valuation methods and triggers for share purchases in advance. Number 3, employment agreements. Since many minority shareholders also work in the business, secure your position with a well-drafted employment contract. Number 4, regular access to information. Codify your rights to regular financial reports and operational updates. Whether you're considering a minority investment or currently facing challenges as a minority shareholder, consulting with an experienced business attorney who specializes in shareholder rights can make all the difference. Don't wait until oppression has already damaged your investment. Proactive protection is always the wisest approach. If you feel like this helped you think about how to go about your future investments, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video.